Hi everyone. In this question, we are going to look at a topic of numbers, and this is a vital question if you are appearing for any competitive exam, be it Indian exam, CAT, or SSC, or if you're appearing for selective exams in Australia. So it is important and imperative to learn this sort of concept because it's kind of a brainstorming concept, and you would learn, and it's better to learn this type of question. So let's see how does it go. So they have given that a number when divided by 357, let's say P is that number, when divided by 357, it yields a remainder 37. So 37 is the remainder. By dividing the same number by 17, the remainder would be what? So I can say that P could be any number. That could be 357 times 1 plus 37. 357 times 2 plus 37, or it could be 357 times n plus 37. Now they say by dividing the same number by 17, the remainder would be what? That means if I'm going to divide this number by 17, I'm going to get the same remainder. If I'm going to divide this second number by 17, I am going to get the same remainder. Because if it wouldn't be the case, then why would this question even exist? This question exists because every number, if divided by 17, yields the same remainder. So there's a trick to this question, which is if I explore a remainder for this number, which is 357 times 1, that is 357, and 37 added to it would give me a 394. When 394 is divided by 17, it's gonna give you 17 times 2 is 34, remainder 5, bring 4 down. 17 times 3 is 51, gives you 3 as a remainder. That's the answer. So if I wouldn't write all of this down, this question is actually just a sitter question, right? And I can prove also that if I'm going to take, let's say, second number, 357 times 2. So 357 times 2 would be 2 sevens are 14, 11, 714. If I add 37 to it, I'm going to get an 11, 3, 4, 5, 751. 751 when divided by 17. So 17 times 5 is 85. 17 times 4 is, sorry, 8. 68, yeah. So I'm gonna take 4. So let me just rub off the extra things. So I'm gonna get a 4. 17 times 4 is 68. That would give you a remainder of 7, and then you have 1. So again 17 times 4 is 68. 3 is a remainder, right? So any number plus 37, I'm saying any number because I'm talking about this nth part, okay? So 357 times any number plus 37 when divided by 17 is always going to yield the same remainder, which is 3. 3 is the required answer. That's it. It's a 15-second, maybe 20-second question. If you might have to do a calculation that takes some time, so it's just a 20-second question at max, and you can just take the first number and divide it by 17, or any type, any other numbers would come, and just you can work it out like this, because the basis would be this only. Just that you will have to work out the calculations and tell them the answer. Basically such sort of questions do have multiple choices, so that is even an add-on, right? So I think that's it for this question, and I'll see you for the next one.